Back with another video, and today I have a new airsoft pistol for you, and this airsoft pistol is an m1911 right here. Now this is different because this actually looks like a real m1911, and you could think it's real because this right here, right there. And this you could put BBs in here, and yeah, there's a back right there, there's back right there, there's my hand, there's no more hand, there's my finger, there's no finger, there's my finger, no finger, yeah, but this is an m1911. This is different to all my guns, because this I messed up on the barrel, but it actually still looks cool. It cocks back, and then you could see right there that you could put BBs in there. BBs in the crack, and yeah. 1, 4, 2. Wow, wow, wow. And you put it back. Yep, there's the trigger, there's a hammer, but it doesn't do anything. There's this thing, there's the barrel, and then there's that you use to pull it back, and then you can see right there, they're out of bullets. But this one doesn't take a mag. So, like my other one, you have to keep BBs in your pocket. Or just grab a speed loader and speed load them in. Or just make your own speed loader if you don't have one. I'm gonna make my own, but right now, let's take it to the range. Alright guys, actually, we have more BBs. We just found more BBs that I didn't even know they were there, so I'm just gonna grab one, because I don't want my dad to get mad and think, and like, and like shoot 1,000. And I'm gonna go get one. Okay, I got it. Alright. Cock it back. Put it in there. Cock it back the way it was. Look at it. That's so cool, it came out. Let's try that again. You cock it back. See it. See it. It's in range. I'm gonna shoot myself on the hand. I don't think this is gonna be a good idea, but whatever. I don't think it's gonna hurt at all. Much better. No, it didn't hurt at all. You could just feel it, like bang, 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 bang. But if this shot hard, I do not know what I'll do. But yeah, let's try one more one. It doesn't have a mag, but it did have. see the BB in there. Wait. So easy. But yeah, if you actually put this black and actually put a trigger, do not take it outside. People might think this is real. You might go to jail for this, but if you keep it like this, if you put it black and you don't put a trigger, then people will know it's fake. I wish I actually had a rubber band so I could make a lever so it could just go bang, like so I could just do this, pull this thing back. Oh my god. Oh my god. If you actually if you showed someone this and they thought it was real, I wish, like, so I just put the BB in there and then bang, and it goes back so I could have a rubber band and bang. But we're gonna do one more shooting test. Let's see if this one gets clogged or no, but it actually goes fast. Now we're gonna see how far this thing goes, guys. Cock it back. Put the BB inside. Sorry. Alright. It went actually pretty far. If you guys could see me, I went all the way over here. Hey, you guys. But yeah, it's a pretty cool gun. It works like a real gun. Alright guys, that's the gun, and this is the end of the video. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!